can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Chiliz. Over the last 1 week, Chiliz is up 22%. Over the last 1 month, it's up 82%. On the last 1 year, it's still down 31%. All coins are pumping. Over the last 1 month, a lot of altcoins are going up front, left, and center. Chiliz, among the biggest gainers, is up 82% over the last 1 month. We look at Chili's performance against the US dollar. How high can it go in the coming days and the coming weeks? If we get our altcoin season pump, can we get back to new all-time highs? We'll look at Chili's performance against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. How high can Chili's market cap go before the end of the bull run? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Chili's market cap sits around the $565 million level. Chili's currently trades around $0.05537. The altcoin market is bubbling on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. Whispers of altcoin season in the corner. Chiliz currently has 89,000 holders, more than 89,000 holders. Chili's all-time high happened on the 13th of March 2021. It traded for as high as $0.89. Right now, it's down 93% from its all-time high. The all-time low happened September of 2019. Traded for as low as $0.004. Where can you get some Chiliz? You can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on Bybit, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. You can get some Chiliz right there. Let's look at Chili's performance against the US dollar. Against the US dollar, Chiliz is currently trading around the $0.055 region. But guys, in 2021, we saw this altcoin pumping aggressively. If you're one of the smart players that bought Chiliz during the COVID crash, you bought it around $0.0065 level. You waited for that big pump to the upside. Guess what? In 1 year, your Chiliz investment went up by more than 127x. It pays to buy low, it pays to sell high. That's the game we're playing. These altcoins are very volatile. We're trying to catch these big pumps to the upside. These kind of pumps that happen in 5 months where Chiliz went up 64x. That's the kind of pump we're trying to catch. That's the kind of exit you want. But the crowd always buys when the thing has pumped 64x, 65x, and that's why since 2021, we have seen so many false starts. We have seen Chiliz lose 93% of its value. We saw a tiny rally entering 2024. That rally saw Chiliz rally up by around 150, 160%. But what happened after that was another huge dump to Goblin Town, where Chiliz went down under 84%. In total, from the all-time high of 2021, we've seen this altcoin go down a whooping 97%. But the altcoin market is volatile that way. I love these altcoins. The reason why a lot of market participants still buy them even when they are down that bad is because of the potential upside. From where Chiliz is currently trading, yes, an argument can be made. You could continue going down to Goblin Town, but you always think about the upside. For it to go back to the previous all-time highs, it needs around a 1,400% pump to the upside. And if you see it this way, guys, that it takes a long time to wash out weak hands, and when the pump comes, you can see, just like the last pump, the pump is always aggressive, the pump is always violent. Yes, it will not just pump straight to all-time highs. There will be some difficulties along the way. We might see it face resistance around the $0.15 level. If you rally past to higher prices, you might see it face some resistance around the $0.5 level before it eventually breaks towards $1. And you never want to say never in the cryptocurrency market. If you are buying low, the market always give you a chance to buy high at some point in time in the coming future. Let's look at some details about Chiliz. Chiliz is the native token of Chiliz chain, the layer 1 blockchain for sports and entertainment. It also powers the Socios.com wallet, the leading fan engagement platform where fans can engage with their favorite sports and entertainment brand through fan token. If you look at its performance, guys, against Ethereum, it's been dumping to Goblin Town ever since it got to an all-time high in March of 2021. After it had that glorious pump, we saw it outperforming Ethereum for more than 2,500 in just around 60 days. After that pump comes the dump. That's one constant in the cryptocurrency market. Every pump you see will eventually lead to a dump in future. Anytime you're seeing an altcoin going parabolic, just know that in future you're still going to see it do something like this, where to go down 98%. That's what Chiliz has done. I believe the weak hands have been washed out. But something flipped in October of 2025. That was peak bearishness. That was peak. It's over. Nothing's going to ever pump. We're deep in the bear market. That was when the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market happened, but I believe that's when the altcoin market actually washed out all the tourists, and right now we're back to reset. We're in the start of something great. Chiliz could easily pump aggressively to higher prices, but it's already down 98% from its all-time high. So buyers that are getting in right now are betting on better upsides and downside. There's always the argument that it could come down to gobbling town, but if you think about the upside from where we're currently trading, Chiliz pulling up 1,000% move to the upside. We just see it facing resistance back to where it was trading in November of 2022. Basically going back to the bottom of the bear market for Chiliz it has to rally up by around 1,100% for it to go back to where it was trading when Bitcoin was trading at $15,000, when Ethereum was trading at around $1,000. That's very, very crazy if you think about it, how very, very destroyed these altcoins are against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's against Ethereum, against Bitcoin. For Chiliz to held back where it was trading to in the bottom of the bear market when Bitcoin was trading around $15,000 against Bitcoin, we'll have to see it pump a whooping 2,600%. In the coming days and the coming week, it might not be 2,200% pump to the upside, but expect a quite big move for Chiliz because a lot of altcoins, guys, I believe in the next few weeks are going to be pumping aggressively to the upside. Greed has finally returned back to the cryptocurrency market, and historically, when there's greed in the market, a lot of market participants are getting excited. They are buying altcoins. They are seeing these altcoins pump. They are feeling right about those choices. They are reinforcing that belief and buying more altcoins again. Look, over the last few days, we have seen big swings in altcoins. ICP is up 22% to the upside. Dash is up 37% to the downside. IP is up, down 29%. And the funny thing is that it's still up on the weekly and on the monthly. That's to tell how hard it has pumped. On the weekly, you can see Dash is up 100%. Chiliz, ICP, the market is very, very volatile right now. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect to see more volatility to the upside. A lot of these altcoins have been shorted. But guys, it's not going to be a straight line to the moon. It's going to be a fast pump, and then you see a lot of people entering thinking the pump will continue, and that's when the pump will stop. If you look at what Chiliz market cap did during the previous bull markets, it was just going, let's say it was accumulating, but when it finally broke out, it went up violently. Look at how hard it went. In 140 days, it went up 9,500%. Now, in the coming days and the coming weeks, key levels to watch out for in Chiliz market cap, the $1.3 billion level will be very, very critical. We have seen Chiliz market cap hit resistance there multiple times. For Chiliz market cap to head back to new all-time highs, we have to see it go to as high as $4.5 billion, maybe even getting to as high as the $5 billion level to set new all-time highs. From where we're currently trading, for it to set new all-time highs, we have to see it rally up by whooping 752%. That's very, very important to look at the market cap, guys. Just a 752% pump will take the market cap to new all-time highs. But on the dollar price chart, a more than 700% pump we needed to take it to new all-time highs. On the dollar price chart, we need it to go up 1,500% for it to get to new all-time highs. The 700% pump on dollar terms, we see Chiliz rallying to as high as the $0.45 level. That's where we might see it face some resistance. Hopefully it gets there. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're buying more Chiliz, guys, how high do you see it going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.